I did tractoring for the afternoon until you came along and the tyre fell off.
I came along and the tyre fell off.
Okay, well, it happened before you turned up.
Okay. I was asleep, woke up to...
I think I was asleep too.
Yeah, clearly. Woke up to find the husband missing. Yeah. And he was on the property, tractoring, doing a bit of slashing, enjoying life, and I get a call on the way down to the property saying...
Help me, help me, help me, help me.
So now my little car's sitting there and good old Hulk, he's over there in the paddock somewhere. I shall insert a photograph of what happened. Oh God, his windows are so filthy I can't even focus. I shall put a photo in here of exactly what he did to Hulk. Yeah, that ain't good. Anyway, the property's blowing an absolute gale force, so you'll have to excuse sound. I know, so here we go. Let's go around. Here's poor Hulk, stuck in the middle of our beautiful, beautiful land. Yeah, ready? Let's have a look what Farmer Paul did.
Isn't it supposed to be like that though?
I'm going to go with no. Try and get the tyre off. Lucky we've got a bucket, a scoop on the front, because you can actually use the scoop to lift your tractor off the ground. Let's see how we go. Just looking at the clouds. Gosh, how weird do they look? The sun over there. But look at that cloud. Isn't that bizarre? Looks like it's got like a rain pocket inside. And there's a nice big rain cloud too. The wind is just blowing an absolute gale. He did some slashing. You can see where he did some slashing. Still waging war on the rushes. We've got some decent puddles happening. We've had some massive rainfalls. So let's try not falling in the puddle while I'm filming. There's one here. There's another nice one over here. Yeah, definitely not enough drainage, but we've got some nice pasture happening. At least we've got a pretty sky to save Hulk's tyre too. There he is in the distance. We're coming, Hulk. We're coming to save you, Hulk. We're coming to save you, Hulk. Well, we hope to anyway. Got enough tools to open the tool shop. So off we go. It looks so cool. Kitty's windscreen's so disgusting, and I'm not hanging my phone out the window, that's for sure. It's like me, I'll drop it and then it'll be gone forever, and there won't be any more vlogs unless I use my professional camera. Oh, I didn't bring my professional camera. Never mind. Let's see if we can get a good angle. Look at that. How cool does that look? Awesome. Just awesome. Cover Hulk up and it's flapping like crazy. Look at these clouds. How cool does that look? Look at that. It's so beautiful. Yeah. Doesn't do it justice. Those clouds are looking mighty angry. Whoops, wrong way around. Wow. Bringing out the big guns, eh, Paul? Dagnabbit. Alright, I think we've screwed the screws loose. Now Hulk starts up and we push the lever down and utilise the bucket to lift Hulk up. So, things you learn as a farmer's wife, eh? Apprentice farmer, but anyway. Ooh, it's cold. Go, Paul! There we go. Up we go. Go a little bit more. Yep, that'll do. Alright, now that he's cleared the ground, we should be able to pull that wheel off. There we go, unscrew the screws. We're pushing time because I'm working night shift tonight. Yeah, kind of have to move. So, poor old Hulk will have to spend the night in the paddock. Lucky we haven't got the cows yet. We have got the sheep. They looked okay when we checked them. Backlighting now. So beautiful. Wow. That cloud looks so angry. She's a coming. So wicked. So wicked. What? I missed it! I missed it falling off! You right, babe? Looking freezing. You can see our little tent over up, way up yonder, right up there. There she is, over the hill and far away. Oh, I can't even zoom in, it's that far away. Oh my god, it's so cold. So cold, so cold. Okay, so now we just pack her up, chuck that in the back of the car. Yeah, Hulk is all sorted. In the back of the ute she goes. So we bought this from Bunnings. I thought it was pretty good. Gear wrench, $55. So that should do a good farm. Yeah, I'll put a link in the description if you want it. And there's the mangle tyre. Not looking too good, are you? We'll go and get her fixed.
That's not really good at all.
No, really not impressed. Ooh. Alright.
Might be just a little bit too tired.
You're funny. You're treading on thin ice.
Hey, I like it.
Yeah. Hasn't worn off on each other, have we? Well, you haven't worn off on me. Ooh. Looks like smoke, doesn't it? Look at that. It's not smoke. Bloody freezing though.
Okay, so after what happened yesterday with the tyre blowout, kind of like me after Christmas, I feel like I was going to have a blowout too. So what I had to do this morning, I rang around, nobody had them. Absolutely nobody. Except with the second last call, I found these ones. These are a lot more heavy duty. Of course, if you buy something different, you got to buy 2 of them. So I had to buy 2 of them. But yeah, they look so much more sturdy. Same size tire and everything. But I think it's going to serve me a bit better. There's some solution around it too that they said. I don't know if it's a gimmick or not, but they were very nice down there in Traralgon. Some solution there that if it slides off the side, it automatically fixes itself up straight away. So we'll see if that works. But yeah, they seem a lot more sturdy. These were only like a 4-ply. I think these are even 8 or whatever. So yeah, they're built for stuff with a front end loader on it. So let's get them on and see if I can get out of here. All right, stay tuned. Okay, so we have them on. Thank you to the front end loader for being my jack. It was very helpful. We've got them on. I'll try them out, make sure I can move and that sort of stuff, and then we'll go from there. All right, stay tuned.
Paul, fix the tractor. Awesome farmer Paul, fix the tractor. Fix the tractor. Look at those wheels.
Yeah, Corey tells me I've got them in motor race way. And I did notice it was actually going faster when I had them this way. So I'm thinking about just keeping them this way.
And you didn't even have to paint him red.
No.
But you see the slashes red, so that would have helped. And he's off and racing. In first place is Paul on Hulk, the green steed. And engage slasher. We want the pasture to get nice and thick. It's starting to look much better compared to what we first started with when we bought the property. It's looking way better. So hopefully all of this cut stuff that we're leaving on the pasture will act as mulch and encourage the pasture to grow even more. So by the time we finally do get the cows, if we still get them, a few teething problems there, we're keeping our fingers crossed, but we'll see. Yeah, hopefully by then the pasture will have gotten even better than what it did before. So stay tuned, we're getting there little bit by little bit, one step at a time. Hope you all going to have a wonderful new year. We're just going to try and hang out here. I'm still struggling with this cold a bit, but I have been working, so I've got another night shift tonight, and then I'm off for 2 nights, and then I'm back again for another 2, and then I've got 6 days off. So hopefully we'll be able to spend a little bit of time and we won't have any major storms. The sky looks encouraging. Hopefully we'll be able to get some actual things done. So keep your fingers crossed for us. See you soon.
Looks like it's been doing this for 100 years.